What are the requirements for my passport photographs? Two identical photographs are required. Passport photos cannot be used 6 months after the date of certification. Photographs should be taken in color with a matte or dull finish against a plain background. The shirt color should not blend in with the color of the background. Photographs with excessive light reflection on the image will not be accepted. Lighting must be uniformed with no shadows or reflection. A full frontal pose of head, neck, and top of the shoulders are required. There should be no hair across the eyes or forehead, and both ears should be visible. Exposed shoulders and chest must be avoided. Eyeglasses should not have tinted lenses. Thick frames should be avoided, and there should be no reflection in the glasses. Also, the frame of the glasses should not cover any part of the eye. There should be no creases or ink marks on the photograph. No embossed seal should be affixed to the photograph. Only one of the two identical passport-size photos should be certified or notarized. There are over 20 certifying officials who can certify one of your two passport-size photos. These include a Justice of the Peace, medical doctor, attorney at law, consular officer, commissioner of oaths in the United Kingdom, or a notary public in the United States. A valid passport photo must have the name of the applicant along with the name, date, and signature of the certifying officer. Please visit our website for more details about our passport photo requirements at www.pica.gov.jm.